because it's mad shrimp, you guys. This for my co-workers. Shout out SGL. Haha. I ain't giving out my the real whole name, but it's SGL. If you must know. Alright, you guys. Look at it. Look at it, baby. Now I am working on the gas stove. So since I put the shrimp in here, I am going to turn it down to a nice 6 because I don't want it to burn. I want all the juices, all the sauces and stuff to go ahead and work through, baby.